Okay everyone, that is it, and as you can see at the end of the night, what I ended up with was a very nice pork sandwich with a very crusty skin on it, some mozzarella, some fresh veggies from the garden, some cucumber and some peppers, and a little bit of a ranch dipping sauce. This was my wife's idea. She executed the pork shoulder, and I think this is one of the most marvelous sandwiches I'm ever going to put my mouth on. I threw mozzarella on the end and let it bake in the oven, and she did save me some nice crispy pieces of pork skin so I could just eat on the side like natural crackling. Can you hear that? That's so good. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this content. If you do, hit that. I'm having trouble talking because I'm salivating. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to let you know that I put out a new video. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.